So you're done with your thesis. Everything's been written down. All literature references have been corrected. Everything has been proofread, and you're now about to hand in your thesis. Here's how you get your PDF out of Overleaf. Before you do that, please make sure that all the things are set correctly. Check if your title is correct. Yeah, just have a look at your title page. Is this your name? Are the degree program, the program type, the institution correct? Is the submission date the right one? Are you submitting at the right date? And are the advisors set correctly? If that is the case, then you're ready to download your PDF document and submit it. And this is really easy in Overleaf. The only thing you have to do is you go to the file menu and you say download as PDF, and then you store your PDF somewhere on your disk. Hit the save button and you're done. If you're working on a local environment, so you have your local LaTeX install, your PDF document is always generated whenever you press the generate output button. So the latest PDF is always in the directory where you store all your files. You just take out the latest version and you can submit it. That's been all. There's not much to do when submitting your thesis. Just make sure that all the details are correct, because if title and every other aspect are not set correctly, or you're still on the defaults from the template, it might be a little bit embarrassing to fix that, and it might not be received too well with your supervisor if those things are set wrong. So please make sure to do that beforehand. But besides that, congratulations on submitting your thesis and working with Overleaf. I hope you find those videos helpful.